Hey friends, if you encounter the OBS game capture black screen issue on Windows, then please watch this video. So, in many cases, there is no solution to this problem. Why? Because there are many games which do not allow OBS capturing due to copyright content issue. So, this is a problem and this does not have a solution. But in other cases, it may be that you're using a low end computer. Now, search for device manager and open the device manager and expand the list for display adapters. Do you find an NVIDIA or a good AMD adapter here? I mean, a good graphics card driver. If yes, then you can use OBS or game capturing. Now, I'll tell you why. Because games are heavy, they're graphic intensive naturally, and on top of that, if you add OBS, then it will be an even more difficult issue. So, in this case, you can try updating the graphics card drivers first of all. Right click on these and update all of them, and the next one will be to if you have a desktop, you can change the graphics card driver. If you have a laptop, then you can consult your laptop company on what you can do about it. So this is the only thing that can be done. But mostly there are many games that have copyright issues and they do not allow recording. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.